Failures are not the end of the journey. These are simply the stepping stones which guide us towards our success. Hello everyone, my name is Rakshit. I am many of you, a dreamer who wants to wear olive green uniform and serve the nation. I have already faced SSB interview 2 times and today I will share my journey including the challenges as well as the lesson which I learned from SSB. The first and foremost challenge is English. Because I remember when I cleared my written examination in September 2024, my English teacher told me, Rakshit came in front of class and gave a speech that how you cleared your written examination. On that particular day, I remember I was unable to give a speech because lack of confidence and lack of English communication skill. So, but I after that I tried a lot and today I can easily do that. Talking about my first SSB experience, the date was 15 January 2025. The board was 34 SSB Allahabad. Unfortunately, I got screened out because less participation in group discussion. After getting screened out, the second problem was risen, and that was boards. Because for an average student, it was quite difficult to manage boards as well as SSB at the same time. But I scored 82% in my 12th standard. Talking about my second SSB, the date was 24 July and the board was 24 SSB Bangalore. I was quite confident that I will make it this time because of my preparation level was quite good. And unfortunately I got conference out and the mistake was happened in interview because in the interview portion the interviewing officer asked me that Rakshit just tell me about your future career option apart from NDA and I was unable to give the right answer. The same question he asked me in my conference and on that time also I was unable to give the right answer. So this was the mistake which I did during my SSB. Talking about the lessons which I learned from my SSB, the first one is communication skill. Because if a candidate have huge knowledge but he is unable to express his thoughts, so the knowledge is waste. So the communication skill should be quite good. And the second thing is self-awareness. Because let's suppose if interviewing officer asks me you about the general awareness, so if you are unable to give the answer, at some extent it's fine. But if you are unable to give the answer of self-awareness, so there is a very big question mark on you. So these are the experience which I learned from my SSB, and today I stand in front of you not as someone who failed in SSB but as someone who grew because of SSB. Thank you so much. Jai Hind everyone.